Hi guys, it's Kevin Walters from the Event Resources Group. It's great to be talking to you today. I wanted to just talk a little bit about health and safety. I know it's a subject that we can all be a little bit nervous about. Certainly when I was younger in the event industry, I was pretty terrified about putting my name to anything. And back in the day we used to call it common sense. And of course health and safety actually is common sense. It's actually documented common sense. Okay, what we're doing is putting things in writing and putting our name to it. We're expressing to the world, to the health and safety executive, that we have thought through our event. We've been thoughtful about our guests and their safety, and thoughtful about overcoming risks that we might encounter from the event that we're creating. Okay, so some of the things you think about is the event safety plan, an ESP or an event management plan, whichever you want to call it. Okay, it's a simple piece of documentation. All you've got to do is look at your generic event types or the event that you're doing and write a short paragraph about what the event is, what's the parameters of the event, why you're doing the event, the demographics, the people you're inviting, and then think through how you're going to be looking after them, what are the risks, and how you're going to be overcoming some problems. Okay, it literally can be sometimes just a couple of paragraphs. It doesn't have to be a huge in-depth document. Having said that, if you're involved with a much larger event, you're going to have to start documenting things like what kind of medical arrangements are you making, security, what's your policy on things like ticket policy, search policies, drugs, alcohol policy, lost children, vulnerable adults, and the list goes on and on and on. The larger the event, the more suppliers, the more facets that you involve, then the more in-depth your event safety plan has to be. But at its essence, you're just explaining to the world what you're doing with your event. So don't be frightened of them. Okay, so it's Kevin Walters here, signing off for today. If you'd like to join us for some free training and more in-depth advice, and to meet some great other event professionals, then please join us at the Ultimate Event on Facebook. It's a Facebook group called The Ultimate Event. Look us up. We'd love to see you. Thank you.